Alright, welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm gonna not try on, but put on the Hermes Plein tint foundation, I think. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Right, so before I proceed, I actually applied the additional anti-brilliance toning lotion. So alright, and there was aftershave from the previous video, the L'Occitane Cade aftershave balm, and just the aftershave lotion from Blue de Chanel. So let's go ahead and do the makeup. So this is the Plein Complexion Balm. They have the foundation now. They have released the foundation, and yeah, since this is a project pan, we're not gonna buy the foundation. So this is the Complexion Balm. I've had this for a couple of years already too. So what I'm gonna do is I want to buy that Hermes plate of foundation, but yeah. So but we don't have that yet. So we will just use the back of our hand, and yep, this can be applied with the fingers because it's just a balm, but I'm gonna use this time to use all that I have, the Dior Backstage number, I think this is number 11 brush, which is the foundation brush. Alright, so this is shade 40 Chanvre. Yeah, it says there 40 Chanvre. So that's it. We apply that much product and see how that works. Strokes, outward strokes. Immediately it glides on smooth. I think it's a good idea that I started heavy on the eye area, because we want to remove all the darkness there, as well on this area where I have a lot of scarring. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow here. I actually love the smell. So this is actually a scented product. So anyone who is not into scents is so usually I use less product than this. Now that I am putting it on with the foundation brush, I seem to be using more product, and that's because I'm using the phone camera viewfinder as my mirror again, which is my common mistake. I'm always unprepared. Alright, so yeah, we're using our mirror now, and let's see how it's going. There are great reviews about this product from women of age. So yeah, because it glides on really smooth and very moisturizing. But let's see if I get some oxidation from this product. broad strokes. I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly, but yeah. Then let's even out the rest of the skin. So let's check that. That's actually a good shade match on my neck. Not too bad. Alright, so yeah, but because my skin has a lot of texture, it kind of sits a lot on the lines and the pores, but I've tried everything and it's always that way. Let me see if this has SPF. Oh, it is broad spectrum SPF 30, so that's a good thing. That's a very good SPF. Alright, and the next step is we will use their matte powder, because this is what the service yeah, the staff advised me for my oiliness. See, that's the powder. It has the Ex Libris there, and I will be using the Dior Backstage number 14 powder brush. Alright, so do we have any shine? Not as of the moment, so I will not apply this yet. I would probably apply this when I get into okay, the camera is not focusing, the lens is not focusing. Alright, so we will apply this once we get shine. So I believe we have a little shine there. Alright, so let's see. I haven't tried this powder before, ever. So this is the first time I'm using it. And yeah, see that? Okay. Maybe I'll just apply it even if I don't have it. And here there's shine on the top part of my cheeks there. So maybe I will use this as some sort of setting powder to see if this will perform better on my skin. I should have used this when I went out for the Mardi Gras fair. So that even if I was dancing, my makeup would have been snatched. That actually looks better. I'm enjoying doing this. So let's just remove all that powder around the area and apply it to our face. Alright, that's it, and we will do another video on the probably 5 hour or 8 hour mark. Alright, thanks for watching.